Well, unang-una, gusto ko lang malaman kung official DILG account. At pangalawa, hindi siya na-hack. Okay, and hindi din siya fake news. Confirm yan lahat, ha? Tulad lang din yan noong sa Office of the Vice President. Merong Vice President at merong Office of the Vice President. Iba yung institusyon, iba yung tao.
Yes.
Okay? Kaya kami merong spokesperson for the Office of the Vice President kasi yung institusyon, meron silang mga ginagawa na trabaho, may projects, may serbisyo, at merong bosses yung Office of the Vice President. So, kapag nandun ka, makikita mo, very professional yan sila. Pero pagdating naman sa Vice President, ako, yung tao, iba din yung boses ko. So, kung galing yan sa DILG official account, kasi nasabi ninyo, confirmed naman na DILG official account, they have to be professional.
Correct.
Hindi ko sinasabing hindi pwede maging professional ang pero the person can express, has the freedom of expression. An institution does not have the freedom of expression.
Kasi ma'am, yung mga kababayan natin, they are a little bit surprised yung manner ng ng approach sa pag-disseminate ng information kasi parang ginagawang joke or in a joking way. So, thank you for your comment, VP.
Oh.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, ano po ang